this cute little pooshy wooshy. You love that little bed so much, don't you? Who's downstairs in our house? What's that noise? Good morning guys, how's everyone today? Me and Prinny are just up here hiding in this room because we have a big scary man downstairs. I'm just joking, we don't really. But we do have a very nice gentleman from Hillary's Blinds currently fitting our blinds. Yeah! I feel like that definitely deserves a repeat. Yeah! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to finally be getting blinds. I can't wait to see what they look like. But I'm staying up here out of the way because no doubt I will either sit there really awkwardly or talk to him more than what he wants to be talked to, because once I get going I can't stop. So I think it's best if I'm just up here and out of his way. Prinny's also up here. She knows something's going on, bless her, but she's got no idea what. Lots of you are probably wondering how I'm feeling today. I'm feeling A-okay. My chest's still quite tight and I still have a really bad cough, which has led to a sore throat, but I'm winning because I actually was dreading waking up and having that horrendous flu virus that quite a lot of people have had and that's been going around, and I really didn't want that to happen because I wouldn't have been able maybe to go to the meet and greet, which just is ridiculous when it's me and the girls and Chris doing the meet and greet, and I really didn't want to miss it. But obviously I would never risk giving anybody the flu if that's what I got. Thankfully though it's not, and I think it's just a bit of a cough, and if a cough is the only thing I've got to worry about, then I'm doing good. So I'm absolutely fine.
Good morning guys. Oh my goodness, I'm a little bit excited right now. The blind man from Hillary's has just left, and it's too bright. Oh, there we go. There we go, there we go. Now you can't really tell on the camera, but these are really, really nice, like shiny silver colour, and you can't really tell. They kind of look like doctor's surgery grey vertical blinds right now on the camera. But I promise you, let me see if I can get a little close up of them. They're really shiny, like metal looking shiny silver colour. Man, the camera's not doing it no justice right now. Anyway, it's transformed the living room. Love it. Literally makes the bay so much nicer and privated off. And then when we get all the walls coloured, like if we get that wall's being papered, these walls are being painted with some artwork, I think this living room's gonna look pretty darn good. You happy with them?
It looks so dark.
It's really dark, isn't it? But it's because we've had that whole space, but the blinds do separate and open all the way, like on both sides. Yeah, yeah. There we go. So this one separates them and the other one tilts them, so see? Ta-da! You go all the way. So you can reopen both sides, like, and making them look much lighter again, you know? And then the dining room. Yeah. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. And then, yeah, I was just going to say that the really exciting thing for us today is that tomorrow our dining room table and sideboard are being delivered. So all these chairs are going to finally have a purpose. This room's going to be cleared out. That mirror's going to be on the wall. Sideboard's going to be there for all like fancy plates and stuff, and then the table's going to be right here. Boom! And this is going to look pretty good. Yeah, we're going to be busy tomorrow. We're getting this done tomorrow. The dining room's going to be done. We're going to eat dinner on Friday night on the dining room table. Okay, so the vlog's done, uploaded, thumbnailed, ready to go, and we've just got about enough time to have a quick cheeky chai tea before we go pick up the girls from school.
Meanwhile. So when you have a vlog channel or a blog channel, you get lots of really, really exciting opportunities and brands and things that want to work with you and send you their products so that you can maybe hopefully show that product on your vlogs. Now we are so fortunate that we get these coming through to us, and some of them we turn down because we don't feel like they fit with our channel. We don't feel like it's maybe something that you guys would be interested in seeing, and sometimes it's just not something that we personally agree with. So we do turn down quite a lot, but some pop up that we really like, and they're the ones that you've seen previously on our channel, and then some pop up like one that we're doing today that make me so excited.
Moments later.
So we have been given given a really exciting opportunity to work with HP and their Mini Big Books campaign. You can create your own personalised storybooks with your own photos to bring your memories alive. Just select your pictures, print your storybooks and read them together as a family at bedtime. HP have very kindly sent us their new all-in-one photo printer and I am so excited to try this out. So right now I'm going to head on over to the Mini Big Books website and start creating a personalised story. So there's lots of different choices to choose from. I think we'll go for how Isla became an astronaut. So we've just put in Isla's name and now we're going to upload a picture. Let's zoom right in. Cute! Let's give Isla a friend. Esme. This is a cute looking friend. Okay, and now it's asking for a boyfriend. Let's choose a picture first. I think we'll go for Prinny, because that's funny and we'll make Isla laugh. Oh my goodness. Prinny makes the cutest looking little boyfriend. Okay, finish. That was so easy. And now all you have to do is select print. Guys, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, it's a cute little storybook featuring Isla, Prinny and Esme. I am so excited to go and show the girls this right now. So today, me and Dad made something. You know how much you guys love reading stories?
Yeah.
Well, we made one with our new printer today. And do you want to see it?
Yeah.
It's called How Isla Became an Astronaut.
Oh my gosh, can I read it?
Go sit with Isabelle. A big massive thank you to HP and Mini Big Books for working with us on this campaign. It's such an awesome campaign to be part of and we are so grateful. These are so cute and we are going to have so much fun creating lots of our own stories, aren't we girls?
I know, it was so much fun.
Wow.
We're all back home from dancing and I am just about to start to make some chicken fajitas because we're all fancying a bit of chicken and a bit of Mexican for tea tonight. Is that right, babe? My throat is so sore. Chris is having a meltdown about the blinds. Let's be honest.
I don't love them.
He doesn't love them. I love them. I think they look great from the outside and from the inside. I love them. I think it just frames the windows really nice and makes it look way more cozy. Chris likes them from the inside, but says it looks like a doctor's surgery.
I don't know, I just don't know. I don't know if I'm feeling them from the outside, I don't know why.
You wanted full blinds, didn't you?
I wanted roller blinds.
You wanted
I like
roller blinds,
yeah.
you know, like bedroom type blinds, the full thing that comes all the way down. But I think that would be way too bulky for 2 living rooms, if that makes sense, or the living room and a dining room. I think they're perfectly fine for small windows in a bedroom. Obviously, we've got them. Huh?
You were right about the roller blinds.
I'm always right, babe. But he's just not quite able to get himself used to the blinds that he's seeing. He thinks it looks like a doctor's surgery, which I do kind of understand because that was my worry when we first agreed to get these type of blinds. But I love them. I think they look great. Anyway, the girls are just getting on their pajamas and I'm going to make chicken fajitas. Just before I start, I'm going to stock up on some Vitsy. Go a little Esme, helping today. Oh my gosh, what on earth have you eaten?
Orange juice?
No, it's definitely not the apple or the orange you had at dancing. What else have you eaten today? Stick your tongue out.
No!
Esme, Alexa, look in that viewfinder and stick out that tongue. What on earth? What have you eaten? Right, come on, we got a dinner to make. Right, Esme, you can salt the pepper. Isla, you can dice the chicken. It's already diced. I'm only joking, sweetheart. Right, I'm gonna have to do that and then you can pop it in the pan, okay?
Okay.
I'll do it because I need to use a really sharp knife. Right, let's get this going. What on earth are you two doing? I thought you were helping me make dinner. So busy playing.
Oh wait, I've got a good idea. You know Wolver for Toy Story? You can be him and I'll be Jessie. What? You know Wolver? Yeah. But what do I do? And you just go like this, and I'll just stand on you. Alright. Whee! And Jessie. Alright, Esme, you're actually the horse.
I can smell Mexican. Oh, stampede, literally. Mum shouts, dinner's ready. And all you can hear is bop, 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 bop. Big stampede from the top of the house to the bottom, even Prinny. Oh, it smells so good in here. Oh, doobie doobie. Oh, one fajita for you. Esme, that looks so good. Mm-mm.
I'm not going to mention any ages here, but little birdie told me that today is Uncle Mike's birthday. Woo! So let's ring him and say happy birthday, Uncle Mike. You ready, girls?
Yeah.
We're going to sing it loud and proud.
Yeah.
You ready?
Big ol' happy birthday.
Yeah, properly full on happy birthday, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, full song.
Hello.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Uncle Mike. Happy birthday to you.
Woohoo!
I think he hung up. I think we blew his ear off and he hung up.
Hey guys, so I've just finished up filming a video for Isabelle and I've just been messing around, as you can see with all this makeup. I've just been messing around on Musical.ly. I've been inside Mum's room and she's been videoing me and it's been a lot of fun. I'll show you some of them right now. Okay guys, so this is my profile and oh my goodness! Look at that! And that, and that. That is absolutely incredible. So I want to say a big thank you to all of you guys for helping me achieve that. That is incredible. Okay, and here are all my Musical.ly. So let's start with the recent one.
Man, I feel just like a rock star.
I struggled to get this one in time, but I still like it. This one. I like this one so much. So guys, which one do you think I'm going to be wearing? Okay, and then this one.
Excuse me, I need the toilet.
This is so
Do
funny.
the alphabet before you go then. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Where is your P? Halfway down my leg, miss.
And that's all the ones I did tonight. So yeah.
So Isabelle's just downstairs filming something for her channel and me, Chris and the little two have just had so much fun playing with Lego. Seriously, give my two some Lego and they will play for so long. Anyway, I just had a message from a mum who won a ticket to our meet and greet VIP thing this coming weekend, and she filmed her daughter's reaction. Her daughter's actually called Esme, and Esme literally just went, oh. She called Esme. And she said, I said to her, can you film her reaction, because we've had some lovely reactions in today, and she filmed it and it honestly made me cry. I'm not even joking, it made me cry. So I asked her mum if it was okay if we could use the footage in today's video, and she said yes, absolutely. So babe, come and watch this.
I had a message today. Sarah Ingham, you have won one of Oh my god!
Oh, bless her.
Yes.
Oh, bless her.
Makes me cry. Look at
Oh my goodness.
You got tears.
I know, it makes me so emotional.
Oh, she's getting the biggest hug when I
I
see her.
know,
from
look,
there.
it literally makes me cry. I don't even know why. I just think it's so sweet.
That is so sweet, man.
Look at her, bless her. Look at me, I'm crying.
Oh, my
I'm
throat's My throat's killing.
Don't you think it's so crazy though, how people feel like that?
Yeah,
It's so nice. I literally sat in bed and cried. And I was like, I need to go and show you that.
That's amazing.
It's so sweet. Esme, I know we'll see you on Sunday. And I think it's your mum that's...
see me.
and your mum that's come with you. But just so you know, your reaction honestly made our evening.
Right, you two beautiful girls. It's bedtime.
Okay.
Esme, I absolutely adore your Lego creations tonight. They're so sweet.
Yeah, I made a car with seat belts and big flames.
I love it. It's so good. I love your little imagination. It's so sweet. You're such a clever girl. And Isla, this pink little monster is very, very cute. Can I have a kiss, missus?
Yeah.
Mwah! I love you so much. And Esme, Alexa. Oh, look. Look who's back. Do do.
And now she's alive.
I told you. Look who's back. The Poochon's back. Soon as the camera comes out, the Poochon's back. She's alive. Uh-oh, where's she gonna go? She going in Esme's bed. She going in Isla's bed. She's jumping up at me. Where's she gonna go? Oh, oh, oh. Esme, Alexa, a kiss, please. Mwah. I love you so much, my gorgeous girl. One light. And two lights.
He's looking at you like, can I stay?
No, fool, come on.
She's tight.
Get your butt down. Come on. Come on. Get down, fool.
You're asleep a minute.
Pretty. Come on.
You're asleep a minute ago.
Now listen, you get your butt to sleep. You get your butt to sleep.
At least it's the last day of school.
No more tickles. No more rowdies.
At least it's
Sleep.
the last day of school.
Sleep. It is Friday tomorrow. Isla, what day is it tomorrow?
Friday.
Friday. Yay. Hey. Come on then. 1, 2, 3. Night night, my gorgeous girls. Come on, pretty woo. Let's go. I love you too. Sleep tight.
So guys, I've just read some of my Bad Dad book, and I'm also probably going to watch a little bit of Netflix for like 10 minutes. So as well guys, comment down below like what like series in Netflix you're into, like what series are you like into, what you're watching, like what's the cool dude stuff. Comment down below and give me some suggestions, because I watched Vampire Diaries once and all the series, and I'm watching it again for a second time because I think it's so good. So if any of you guys want to watch that, it's really good. But yeah, comment down below some good suggestions. Love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Mwah.
That's it for today, guys. Hope you all really enjoyed watching this video. Tomorrow's Friday, yay! And we've got our new dining room table being delivered, which I am so excited about. I think, unbeknown to Chris, look at his face, tomorrow you're going to be doing the smoothie challenge.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
I'm down for that. It's fine.
Isabelle is wanting to do the smoothie challenge with Chris for her channel. I'm going to get the ingredients. You should be scared. So I think Chris is going to be filming that with Isabelle tomorrow. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. We'll see you again tomorrow at 6 PM. Good night.